Hi, I'm Terry with Terry Hine Associates. I'm out touring one of the homes to be included in our next online auction. The address is 637 Kellett Road, Gray Court, South Carolina. Now, they're calling it Gray Court, but I'm calling it Hickory Tavern. I'm just around the corner from the Hickory Tavern School, and all y'all know that's in Lawrence District 55, which is a very desirable school district. So this might be the house for you. May have some children you want educated, and this is where they'll grow up. This house features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it sits on just over 3 acres of land. I haven't seen the tax map, but I called the office. They said it was a narrow piece of property with a lot of road frontage. So look at your tax map before you come out. I'm really excited about the mature trees. It's a pretty nice little old place. As we go through it and look at it, I'll show you a few things. I think the original house has had an extension put on it for a really nice master bedroom. I think that was a good feature to add on. It really doesn't bother you out in here in this neighborhood or take away from it. You weren't overbuilding. All right, let's take a few minutes. We'll go inside, and then we're going to spend a good bit of time outside. I want to take you in the full basement and let you look at it. Okay, here we are. There are 2 outside entry doors on this house, one on each end. I just came in the left-hand door, and to get you oriented, I think you could use this possibly as a den. You see some ductwork in the floor. When we get outside, you're gonna find out the heat and cooling system are missing. They moved. I don't know if they moved with the owners or if they just moved later. All right, that is that den. Ceiling, it's got hardwood floors, ductwork, pretty nice little room, pine paneled. Behind it is a bedroom. I'm gonna go down here in the corner because there's your closet behind the door. It's got some built-in shelves and good ceiling. See a couple of little spots over there, but I don't think they mean anything. I have oiled this thing and oiled it. Probably need some carpet in this room. It still squeaks. All right, that's going to pretty much take care of that. That's your first bedroom. Remember I said it was a 3-2. All right, this is our kitchen. It's very spacious. Nice cabinets, long countertop. There's a dishwasher here. We don't guarantee any appliances or anything. We don't guarantee anything, but insurable title. But we were just showing you. Somebody started doing a little modernizing. I think this is part of the original house. I'm going to show you what I think was an addition, or consider an addition. Right here is your stovetop, oven, and more cabinets. There's a lot of cabinets in this kitchen. Again, ceiling's good in here. I think this floor will clean up. I think it was added at a later time. It's not too bad. All right, while we're here, 2 doors off this back of the kitchen. One is the laundry and the bath. This is your washer dryer connection, and there's the dryer. And this is the bath. It's probably a newer tub. Looks like a newer vanity and all. I don't know how old they are, but not a bad looking room. Good sized bath. Does have a nice linen closet over here. All right, the other door is the basement stairs, and there is a basement under what I consider the original house, and we'll go down there when we go in the backyard. All right. All right, our next room is what I'm going to consider as a den. Has pine panel walls on 3 sides. Fireplace. Maybe some built-in shelf here. It could have been a window. I don't know what it was at one time. It's carpeted in this room. Probably change it to suit your taste. Ceiling fan. And I'm considering that this wall maybe was the end of the house at one time. So we had this other bedroom over here. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. Nice closet. Carpet that matches the den. And ceiling fan, pretty later model ceiling fan. You know, we got a bunch of ceiling fans and things coming up in auction. I don't know if it'll be before or after this video. All right, and then I'm thinking this was an addition to the house. And I want you to pay particular attention to that door. That's an outside door. So when we go around the house, you'll know what I'm talking about. Has a cathedral-like ceiling. They put some hardwood floors, but there's a little strip along that wall over there. It didn't get quite finished. It needs a little piece in there. But it's a very spacious master bedroom, and I just don't think they quite were done with it. All right, let's look right here. This one is your walk-in closet. That's a good sized closet. As you can see, there's a place to get in the attic. So far this house just needs maybe some cleanup, paint, carpet. Not a bad house. And we're in the master bedroom. That door goes out to the other bedroom. We just came around the corner. Has a nice sized shower, and that's me in the mirror. Some of y'all have seen me already. And just clean up the floors. All right, I think we've got a pretty nice house here to get started. It's in, I'm calling it Hickory Tavern. It says Gray Court. Pretty good house. All right, I want to go outside. There's several things you need to see out there, and so I'll see you outside. All right, this is the door on the end of the bedroom that I told you to mention, pay particular attention to, because now we're going to look at it from the outside. There are no steps, so I think this addition may have been recent. I have to assume that. And it'd be a perfect place maybe for a deck. You could wrap it around the house, as you can see. Or maybe some steps, a possible second driveway. Just a lot of things. I want you to look at the size of these trees in this yard. There's about 3 acres here. And as I said, I hadn't seen the tax map. I was in Lawrence, and I remembered we had a house over here, and I thought, well, I'd go over here, and I called the office, got the address. And I didn't have any paperwork with me. All right, and it looks out over a field. I don't know how far back there that goes. It's pretty nice. I think the house has well water. Then, like I said, the heat and air is gone. They're on the other end of the house and under the house. I'm going to show you those right now. Okay, here's another look. You remember there's a chimney on the front, fireplace. The basement has a fireplace too. And over here is a parking garage. We'll look at it closer when we come out. But why don't we go in the basement and take a look in there. All right, I'm standing in the basement entryway. We'll just step inside. It's gonna be a little dark in here, but I have my lights on. This area is not finished, but I do see what looks like a fairly nice water heater. And while we're on this side, we can look in this area, and this is where there was a furnace located. But as you can see, as I said earlier, it has moved. And I don't think it'll be coming back, so plan on that when you buy the house. You may have to do something with heat and air. And then this area is finished. Has some built-in cabinets and shelves and a fireplace. So this can be the man cave, or as I saw an article the other day, could be the woman cave. That's a new thing. I read about it on the news somewhere. Or how about a family cave? Could be the family cave. Just come down here and get away. All right. Want to go to the other end of the house? I'll meet you up there. All right, I'm on the other end of the house, and you can see the little switch box. That's where the air goes. I'm assuming this is the well. There's a piece of concrete flat in the backyard. That could be the well. This could be the pump house. I really don't know, but I'm almost assuming there's well water. All right, I'm gonna back up a little bit. What I liked, there's a lot of asphalt. Drive, there's a carport if you want to use it. We've got a pretty good little house here. It's a lender foreclosure. Sells at absolute auction. Look at the trees. I believe you'll find you a nice little house here. But you can't buy it if you don't bid. We'll see you at the auction. Okay, that's going to about wrap it up here at 637 Kellett Road, Gray Court, South Carolina. Now you know Gray Court's over on Highway 14, but we're over here on 76, off of 76, right there near Hickory Tavern. So that's where the location is, and I'm sure this is the right house because I was able to get in. All right, it's a pretty nice house. Remember, a few tips before I leave. It's an online only auction. All bidding's on the internet. We will have the house open for your inspection day before the auction ends. The bidding ends on the internet. And read your contract package. We have a lot of information in there. This is a foreclosed property. It will be sold at absolute auction. In that contract package, you'll be finding the terms, the down payment, probably a lot of the questions that you'll call and ask if you don't read it. So read that package. You said you did when you registered. It's very important. If you're a first-time bidder, bid in the first few days. The bidding lasts anywhere from 10 to 12 days. So bid while the prices are low. Get familiar with our bidding platform, how the system works. And then if you have questions after that time, give us a call. We want to help you. That's what we're there for. If there's something you don't understand or you need additional information, we'll be glad to help you. Our number's right here at the bottom of the screen, or send us an email, info@terryhowe.com. All right, I'm going to move on to the next property, but remember, this is online only, and the address where you'll find it is terryhowe.com.